Most of the strongest people I know don't walk around calling themselves strong. They're not loud about it. They're not praised for it. But every single day, they carry weight most of us don't see. And more often than not, that person is a mom. It's easy to overlook the everyday strength it takes to be a mother. The kind of strength that isn't flashy or dramatic, but one that runs deep, quiet, and constant. It's in the middle of the night thoughts, the long hours at work, the worry no one else notices, the prayers whispered when no one else hears. And when you step back to really see it, it's honestly breathtaking. Behind every bedtime story, every flower planted, every shift worked, every load of laundry or early morning Bible study, there's a mother holding not just her schedule together, but often her own internal storm. She's carrying grief. She's wrestling with doubts. She's tired in ways sleep can't fix. And still, she shows up. She keeps giving. She keeps loving. She keeps walking forward. We see this same strength in Scripture, like Hannah, who was heartbroken and barren, crying out to God from the deepest place of sadness. And when God gave her a son, she gave him back to God. That is faith. Like Ruth, who had lost her husband, but chose to stay loyal to Naomi, saying, "Where you go, I'll go." She had every reason to quit, but she didn't. That's strength. And then there's Mary, a teenage girl visited by an angel, told that she would bear the Son of God. She said yes. She raised him. She watched him grow up. She saw the many crowds follow him, the sick healed by him, the world changed by him. And then she stood at the foot of a cross. She watched her son, the innocent one, suffer an unbearable pain and die. The worst pain a mother could ever feel. And even in his final breath, Jesus looked down and saw her, his mom. He didn't ignore her grief. He honored it. "Woman, behold your son," he said to John. "Behold your mother." Even on the cross, on the darkest day in history, a son made sure his mom was cared for. Jesus saw her pain. He didn't look away, because that is who our God is. He doesn't ignore the suffering of mothers. He meets them in it. But here's the thing about Mary's story. It didn't end on Friday, because Sunday came. She saw her son die, and then she saw her son rise. The son she raised, the son she lost, the son she never stopped loving. He walked out of the grave. God turned the valley of death into the mountain of resurrection. And I don't think Mary ever forgot the cost of what she lived through, but she also never forgot the miracle. Moms, I know your valleys feel long. I know some of you are carrying grief that hurts so bad you feel it in your soul. And sometimes the tears come and you don't even know why. I've been there. But Sunday is coming. God is shaping something beautiful in you. And one day, maybe when you least expect it, you'll see how all those hidden faithful moments, they mattered. So keep walking, my friend.